Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your friend, the Z Traveler, aka the Travel Commando. Guys, I always love it when I flex like that. Tell me it's not cool. Just pulling your leg, guys. So I'm with Mrs. T right here. Yeah, so we are along Livingston Road. So going this way, right behind here is going to Livingston, and right in front where the truck is shooting for is of course the Choma CBD. We are in Choma, guys, and we want to take a ride through this residential area right here. It's called Kozo. Yeah, we just want to see how it looks like, and we're just gonna go in like that and pop out somewhere down further into Choma town. Okay, the CBD, I mean. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. And if you stay in this neighborhood, what do you know about this neighborhood? And what are your experiences? What type of neighborhood is it? We can have a chat in the comment section and pick it up from there, guys. So yeah, we can't wait to see what we can see in this neighborhood. Yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Cheers. Hi, Mrs. T. Sorry. We're gonna go straight. So we're gonna go straight and just have a feel of this place right here. Legends Lodge. Woo! This place, in my other video, guys, I did mention that Choma has a number of lodges, guys. Such a small place, but there was a lot of lodges, and I think I would attribute that to a favorable hospitality business kind of sense here, because if if the lodges were not doing good, number one, not more would pop up, and number two, they wouldn't flourish in terms of progressing or existing in business for a long time. So if this area has new houses, I can tell, and the type of houses that you would see here are, of course, more or less middle class, and yeah, let's see what we can see here. Zambian standard, it's a very fine place, especially Choma standard. It's a very fine place. It's just coming up, so I wouldn't talk much about the roads. Yeah. So yeah. And guys, yeah, if you've seen my video where I put up my plots up for sale, you would see that the main brick that is used in this area is, of course, the clay brick, the one that you bend, you get clay and you bend. So that's the one that is mostly used here, and pretty much even for modern houses. Once the plaster is on, you can hardly tell that those are the bricks that were used. Plus, guys, um, it has to be clear that they are cheaper. Well, somebody told me it's cheaper to build in Choma, and I may have to agree with them. I may have to agree with them. Yeah. So guys, I'm just taking rounds. I mean, I don't have a particular route to use. I just want to see. I just want to see. Can I use this? Take. I don't think. I don't think that leads anywhere. Uh, Woo! This is a massive cairn. So guys, what do you think about this area? It's quiet. It's nice. I don't think there's still more plots left near the roadside. Where should we go? Where should we go? Okay, let's try to move this way. We are ready to get lost. Hi, Mrs. T. We are ready to get lost. Hello. Oh my word. Where are we going? Okay, let's see. There should be, if that vehicle came through this way, then there should be an outlet for us. Woohoo! The last thing I want to do is end up at someone's house. That's the last thing I would want to do. This is it. Okay, so we're doing good so far. Though I can't really see where we're going. The roads are kind of short at the branch. And I bet we take our left. Sorry? No, the beauty is that we're still going in the same, you know what I mean? The beauty is we are heading the Choma CBD direction anyways. and I bet an outlet is inevitable. Yeah, so we have spotted an outlet after all. Oh yeah, guys, you see that car right over there? That is shooting across the road. That's Livingstone Road. So, yep, yep. We are going to get into that. So this is how Kozo area looks like, guys. I mean, that's a part of it. It's a very new setup. I reckon it's much easier to be on a bike and have your camera set up on your helmet rather. People don't really mind that. But every time you're moving with your camera stick, it tends to make people feel rather a kind of way, you know. Not everybody is fond of cameras, especially if they didn't plan to be in one, in front of one. So that's it's quite an interesting reaction every time I see people. But the best, however, are those reactions where somebody is just super excited to be in the video. Those ones are priceless, and they usually flow very well. So there you have it, guys. I think we can close the video right here. And thanks, guys, for your support. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Thanks, guys, for your support. That gentleman was kind enough to want to give me his chat. So here we are, guys. I mean, some other time we may get into Champande area and just do a round in there as well, just to give you a contrast picture and different flavors of residential kind of feel here in Choma. Yeah, guys. Anyways, see you in another video. Cheers.